The mandrill, scientifically known as Mandrillus sphinx, is a distinctive and captivating species of primate that sets itself apart from other animals. Distinguished by its strikingly colorful face and rear end, the mandrill possesses a unique and vibrant appearance, making it one of the most visually stunning monkeys in the animal kingdom. What truly distinguishes this species is its complex social structure. Mandrills are known for their hierarchical societies, with dominant males displaying remarkable physiques and vivid colors to assert their authority. Originating from the dense rainforests of equatorial Africa, mandrills have adapted to their lush environments, feeding on fruits and insects. Dog. Cat. Hyena. Wolf. Ostrich. Oryx. Duck. Goat. Turtle.